All concentrate on your studies. You are at such a age that you have to only do study and keep yourself physically, mentally fit. You all are having cell phones. Nobody should use the cell phones. School of permit chestunna cell phones allow cheyatలేదు కదా. Yeah. You don't get addicted to cell phones. Not only in school, when you go to the college also, unless you become something in life, you don't have the cell phones. Now today is World Thinking Day. What that means? You all have to do some thinking about yourselves. How will be your life? What are your future plans? How you will take care of your parents? How your journey in this world will be? What will be your contribution to your state or to the nation, to the world? All these things you have to think. Yeah? Don't be feel what it is called negative or inferior because of your different reasons. Maybe background, some are from poor families, some are from middle class or rich families. All these things you forget and you concentrate on studies. Only the study will take you to the highest positions. Yeah? So wishing you all the best. I thank the school headmaster and Madam Garu to giving me this opportunity. Thank you. Jai Singareni.